So what is happening on the RPM Facebook group, Rapid Profit Machine? Let's see. So Tarin Wei is saying, I think something is really amiss. So I have a new lead, Yemi. So anyway, all these issues are causing me to be a bit concerned because as people sign up, am I going to get the commissions? So I thought I would test it out myself. Well, went on my website, put a button with my first caption lead page thingy. Then went on Hubby's phone, entered a new email address, and it came up with fucking Jeff, which means if Hubby signed up, Bloody James will be his apply, not me. That's what happens. So basically, if my hubby signed up, James will get commission. What is the point in buying leads, nurturing those leads, and doing all the hard work when you get nothing for it? I mean, where is James Neville Taylor in all these comments? Where is his team? Why are they all a wall? But happy to comment when it's sweet on new people joining, but not on this major issue. I mean, seriously, I was exciting to join, 200% ready to give it my all, but this seems to be a major issue. Come on, team, give us some comfort, please. Your reputation is on the line. So, to be honest, I'm not in the team, but this could be the fault of Tarin Wei. It could be, I'm not sure, but for instance, there's something with Wire Plus, her or a username that she didn't validate well. I mean, it could be a fault, because this part usually works, but I'm not supporting the RPM team here because, for instance, in the dashboard of RPM, there is a link to Aweber, and this link is an affiliate link for James. So all the people who choose Aweber as their email autoresponder, the commission goes to James, and it's not possible to put our own affiliate link if we have one, And he said months ago that yes, we are thinking of allowing members to put their own affiliate link for Aweber, but it will be only for those who have RPM Pro, not for the other. The other, it will still be my affiliate link, So if you think about it, what he could have done, but of course now at this day, this was only talk months ago. After someone talks about it, he says that, but nothing happened. He still his own affiliate link to this day. But just the answer, the bullshit answer that he made, it shows that he still wants to make money on his Aweber affiliate link, because he could have said, okay, maybe the affiliate link will be able to change to the people only for those who have RPM Pro, and then for all the others who don't have RPM Pro, the affiliate link will be one of those who have RPM Pro and who have put their affiliate link, so it will be a rotator, No, it didn't say that. But anyway, it didn't do anything because there is no urgency here. It's fine. And it's the same for other things in this setup. It means that a lot of people, whether they have done something wrong or something wrong is happening, as technical, I don't know. But anyway, it doesn't matter because the worst that can happen is that James is getting the commission. So there is no urgency to do anything about it. So Tarin Wei, maybe you have a mistake in your setup, maybe, or maybe it's a technical error that RPM should fix, but will they, honestly? Think about it. So, I'm not supporting the whole thing because it's badly done, meaning that there is one clear winner here. Of course, he's getting money for all the sales anyway, even with an affiliate, but still greedy and not doing anything for those places that could be improved. Like the Aweber affiliate link, nothing has changed because it's still more money for himself. You see, so as long as this is not there's no solution for this because it's like that, so it will always be like that in a way or another. When he's thinking about his own money. That's why nothing is happening. If it was the other way around, let's imagine that there was a bug. That means that I was getting all the money from all the members. You can be sure that it would have been fixed on the day. Yes, because now it's a problem because the money doesn't go to James but to me. You see? So understand, it will always be like this. There's no improving. So me, I mean, RPM is working sometimes. There's ways to make money. If you set it up well, everything is going fine, there's no technical issue, you get the money, yes. but the core issue. So anyway, doesn't matter. I'm not criticizing either. I mean, I'm not supporting. I'm not a fan, but I'm not criticizing. Of course, you know, when you do affiliate marketing, if you really want to make money, you do your own system and you get people inside your system. You do like James is doing. If you choose to use James' system, then you're working for him. Huh? So what are you criticizing things about? Of course, everything will be done in his benefit. Huh? Of course. So I mean, if in the system the speech, the public face is all about, oh, I want to help others, but you know that it needs to be like this, the public face. But then the reality of why it even exists, this system, is to benefit James. You understand? The owner, the creator, why did he create this? Is to help himself, because this is a logical thing to do. If you can do it, if you have products and you want people to promote the product, then create a kind of sort of community around those products, so that you will have people trying to sell your product. And to create the public face of this system, you will say you want to help others, and that's why you did this system. So you do exactly what RPM is, and that's why people will come in. If you say, oh, I did it for myself, to benefit myself, and you can also get money, then this system will have less people interested in it. So it's not doing any good to the system, to yourself. So don't criticize it. It's the way it is. Anyway, let's go on. So Turner Bryan, I just want to introduce myself, okay? So lots of us like this. Oh, James Navy Taylor is here. Good. Welcome back. But it's just for a picture about some inspirational crap. So who cares? Ilsan Navini. Hi everyone, my name is Loa and I'm from a small. Okay, who cares? So you have no question. I all just want to introduce myself. Nobody cares. Casey Four, keep on pushing TikTok after your challenge. I got 2 active team members out of it this week by doing it daily. So about the TikTok challenge, I will do another video about it. It's a pure crap also from RPM, TikTok challenge. They say, oh, you post once per day about RPM on your TikTok and we will give you 3 clicks. What's happening in reality? And I will do a video about it. You do it. At the end, you submit your TikTok challenge and you wait for the answer. You have no notification that you have sent your your challenge. You wait, and after you need to ask what's happening. Me, I waited 1 month. I asked what's happening, and they answered, oh, we only notify you if it was accepted. So it means it has been denied. Bye bye. What? So I say, oh, come on, tell me what's wrong about it, so at least I can try again. I didn't go into details, but I feel that it's a big lack of respect for people who submit and get no answer because they have been denied, and you don't tell me why. What was wrong with mine? It was a new video posted every day for 30 days and about RPM. So tell me what was wrong. And now I'm waiting for an answer. It's been 2 days already, still waiting. We'll see. So I want to do a video about it, but I was just waiting for them to give me an answer. But if I don't get an answer after 2 days, I can make the video and say, see, that crap. TikTok challenge my bollocks. What is this? Lack of respect once again? Not good. So whatever Casey is saying, who cares? Linsky, Wire Plus commission, tutorial on how to possibly avoid these commissions going to other people. Yes, to other people, going to James, come on. So Rachel AA, hi guys, so here is what I see when I pop in the RPM Pro after I click through my Chase receipt for the Pro VIP member purchase. I can seem to access it. Okay, so try again. I didn't took RPM Pro personally. So Calvin, nothing free in this world, pay attention. Knowledge isn't free, you have to pay attention. It's a joke or what? Alexi Romeo, hey guys, what I do cause I recently did a mistake about it is creating a Wire Plus account and it doesn't even have to request approval. If you guys can help me about it. Yes, but please help yourself and make a real question. I don't understand your question. Crystal, new member, loving the journey so far. Really excited for new beginning. However, still trying to find me fit in this massive machine space. Carol Kilby, good morning from Australia. Can someone please explain the following? Solved one problem, thank you. So I have 11 leads in my funnel, 20 under the leads tab, 5 converted under the leads tab, and 1 member under the member tab. 5 sales in Wire Plus. Obviously not dollar sales, yes. Very disheartening to call the free conversion sales, as you have to see dollars. Yes, but you know why they are called conversion sales? It's so that in Wire Plus, in the ranking, it can be said, oh, it's converting like crazy. Yes, converting at $0. That's why. That's the only reason. So I have received 8 emails announcing the new leads and 1 email announcing a new member. No commission to be seen. Can someone please explain how this works? What does it mean? I'm guessing no one has purchased anything at all as yet, correct? Not giving up now. Just want to clarify how it works. Thank you. So Carol, yes, you can see commission sometimes. But I mean, take RPM more as a lead generation software. So you can get leads into your own email list and then you bombard them with affiliate offers and you will get commission on those affiliate offers. The RPM system, if you can make sales, it's a bonus. But the main goal is to get new email address into your list. List that you need to create your own list, your own email marketing things for affiliate marketing. Need to do that. Don't rely on RPM too much because it's not for your own benefit. This RPM thing is for the benefit of the creator. Your own benefit is by using an email list and collecting new emails. There are other ways to collect emails, but I mean, RPM is the way. It attracts people, but you will attract people at the end of their life. They are going to die if they don't get more money. That's it. You're not going to get rich people. They are not falling for this. I mean, the rich, the one who don't need money, are rich enough. No, it's not happening. It's people at the end of their lives. They fall on this and they subscribe, but then they can do anything because they don't understand, they don't have time, they don't have the brain matter to do anything with RPM. Plus, it's not crystal clear. Also, we can say, not easy. So Stacy Jones, he keeps telling me I have money, I've made money, but he keeps taking me back to surveys every time I try to get it off. What do I do? So Stacy, get lost. Go get lost. Those kind of people are coming. They don't understand anything, and they can't even ask a question or make a clear question. So they are lost. They don't know who they are talking to. They are hoping for God to answer them, even if they don't know what to ask. This is crazy, but you have a lot. So T. Davis, hey, this is T. Davis coming at you again. You know the guy that chopped up for 2 days and then you guys didn't hear from him again for no, I don't know. I just wanted everybody to know that I had to take care of some emergency situation stuff, like rent repossession of a vehicle, and I'm still probably going to be incognito for another couple of weeks. See the kind of people at the end of their life. They have so many problems, and that's the one who join. So, but it can be useful to have those people in the email list to promote affiliate offers about make money online quickly. There are not only RPM in this niche, not at all. Morrow, hi all, just wanted to introduce myself and share a photo I took. Wonderful. Linsky, just calculated how much of non-commission I'm missing and it's $64. I thought was only one, but now it's free. Who knows how many more? Yeah, the ups and things. So I'm going to stop the video now. You can get the feeling of RPM, the group which has almost 30,000 members and more to come, because it's like this is a craziness, mental hospital. But it's good. Join and you can make money, because some of those people, they will pay. They are paying and you can get the commission. But the main thing is that you can build your email list with this setup. So you can do it. You can try it if you want. Doesn't matter. Not have only this. Have many things and build your email campaign, email sequence, so that when people enter into your lead capture page, they get exposed to whatever, but also to your main email list full of affiliate links. That's important. Bye-bye.